Please, can you share with us some of your best Easter experience?
I don't have any one.
Hmm?
I don't have one.
Okay, like what you do during Easter. How you celebrate Easter?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't celebrate Easter on the day, but you're a Christian, right? You're a Christian. So in the church, like, okay, in the church. Hello, good evening, excuse me. Please, can you share with us some of your best Easter experience? So, hello, excuse me. How are you? Yeah, how's your day going? Okay, can you share with me some of your best Easter experience? Yes, like some of your best Easter experience. Yes, yes, yes. It's me now. I'm almost everywhere. Yes, yes, yes. So,
We are not sharing.
all
We
right.
are not
So,
sharing.
just discuss with me. What's your best Easter experience? Okay, you are going there. So I can as well go with you now. Hmm? All right now. Oh God. Hello, my friend. Good evening. How are you? Please, can you share with us some of your best Easter experience? Huh?
I just close from work.
You just close from work. Hello, man. Good evening. Can you share with me some of your best Easter experience? Oh God. Ma, good evening. Good evening, man. Please, can you share with us some of your best Easter experience? Like, it's really nice on you for you to take your family out for Easter celebration. It's not all family that can do it. So you doing it.
I do it because I love them.
Okay, you do it because you love them.
Yes.
That is very nice.
And so that they will love God too.
They will love God too.
Yeah.
So do you also teach them the Bible? Are you a Christian?
I'm a Christian.
You're a Christian.
Yeah.
Good evening. How are you? Please, can you share with us some of your best Easter experience? Huh? What's your best experience of Easter? Like,
Easter. We didn't do Easter.
okay, you didn't do Easter.
We're moving from one location to the other this morning.
In this Easter period,
Yes.
have you extended hand to someone?
So many. At least today I was able to visit the
Some
next
homes.
village.
Okay, that's very
One,
good.
that was the first thing I planned. Me and my family, if you can see, we're not coming from there. We plan to do that first. That was the first thing we did after we came out from church.
Alright.
Then after that, we also extended our gift to those old women that we know that they don't have anybody
Assist them.
to assist them. And it's the only two way we're able to bless them. In my only two way, me and my family were able to bless them. And I think that one was even enough, but even okay for me. If I did not do anything to them, that two things I did today is okay for
It's
me.
very okay for
I just stop to that man. I don't have strength.
you. Okay, you don't.
But it's an excellent one.
Hmm?
It's an excellent one anyway.
Yes. So can you share with us your
Uh,
best Easter experience?
I'm happy that Christ, rose from dead today. So I'm happy.
So that is very nice. So can you as well share with us your worst experience? Because everything that has good also has the best side. So can you share with us some of your worst experience during Easter celebration?
I don't think I have any worst experience.
Okay, you don't have any worst
I'm
experience.
very excited as
Okay.
long as I'm a Christian.
All right.
I'm happy.
Okay, you're
So
a
I
Christian.
don't think yes. I don't. A negative side doesn't come around me.
Okay. Okay. So what? So what could be the cause? Sir?
Eh?
What could be the cause?
There is no cause. We had an event.
Okay.
A friend of the family had an what do you call it? A Thanksgiving service.
Okay, so
He
you
was
went
called
there.
to bar 2 weeks ago and went to celebrate with her.
All right. That's nice. Okay. All right. Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you. I appreciate
I
it.
do appreciate
Thank
it.
you, brother.
All right, sir. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes.
So your last word to our viewers.
Okay.
What do you have to tell them?
Seriously, well, what I will tell the viewers is that we should always learn how to, give to the next privilege. Also, those that cannot afford one or two, we should always try to see how we can assist them. Though we know that the country is very well, but not because the country is very well, we allow the next privilege to die away. We should always learn how to assist them.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you
I
very
do
much.
appreciate your time.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Subscribe now at Ogoni Marketplace.